Okay, amazing friends. Today you will probably ask us, why the hell are all these batteries so rusted? It is because we are, okay, I'll drop the accent. It's because we are students. But look, what a little bit of scanning can do, just a little bit of heat shrink wrapping, and they turn gold plated. And you would almost think that this dude's not a student, but then you look at my sock and you're like, yeah, he's definitely a student. But yes, we take this. Later we will polish this so there is no rusty boy. So the process is you take off the old heat shrink wrapping with a knife, hopefully not getting the positive and negative contacts touched, because nobody wants to be touched, even them. Consent is key.
Okay, continue.
Yes, this is no joke, this is a serious matter. You need to make batteries. You will probably ask, why is you need batteries? Well, this is me need batteries because I want to make electric stand-up paddle boat. In short, soup. I want to make electric soup. I want to make electric soup. The soup will be electric. And so you know we are qualified.
This soup.
Yeah.
Deep soup.
Dude, that is ranch sauce. What do you mean?
Don't ask questions.
You were raised harshly. Your ranch identifies as soup. But so you know we are qualified.
Okay.
Look at all those 3D printers.
Oh yeah. Look at ours.
And for the give me the monitor camera phone thing.
Yeah.
This is pinnacle of human evolution. We are making Shrek mask. This is third attempt. Yes, this is all batteries. Yes, batteries. That was the second attempt. I will probably add a picture with first attempt. But yes, this is battery. It looks very good.
Come check out our motors.
Yo.
Look at this shit. This shit cost so much money. So much money I spent on this shit. This motor. 4 kilowatts.
No talking, he get touched. I can't smoke my arms, cause all my
Insert Elon Musk.
pussy. He think he the battery. We call him Elon Musk.
Okay, these are dead batteries. We will later dump these in the ocean so we don't have to deal with them. This is a puffer fish boy, this little big puffs. But yes, one motor make 4 kilowatt. I use one of these for soup. Another one he will use for electric bike.
Here we have.
Another one he will use for electric trimmer. This is a nose hair trimmer.
Yep.
This is controller that come with motor, but they not come with motor. They buy but this for motor.
That you do.
Yes. Battery, compressor, microscope,
This shit.
heat shrink
Heat insert into phone.
threaded
into
insert.
phone. Yeah.
Yes.
Look at my P1S, very modified, very
Yes,
chic.
very stock.
Look at this stock bed, very nice, very
Juicy. Okay, so yes, we are Latvian top 1 engineers, and because we are qualified, because we are the greatest technician that ever lived. Peace out. Battery.